Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and quickly put any reaction to your posts. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So, let's you and I get down to this interesting topic. First of all, open the messaging app and then go to any correspondence. And in order for you to put a reaction to a message, you'll need to either on your message or on the other person's message. Press and hold. So it makes no difference if it's your message or not. And look, when you press and hold, you get this little menu at the top, this little selection of reactions. You can put absolutely anything you want. You can choose from them. And as you can see, the reaction comes up immediately. If you want to change your reaction, say you accidentally pressed the wrong one, then press and hold and change your reaction. In the same way, you can also delete it, also by clicking, holding. And now you'll need to click on the reaction that you have active. And as you can see, it will be removed instantly. So that's the way you can easily put a reaction on a post. I hope you found this video helpful and helpful, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.